Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I've got a special guest here. Give the crowd a wave.
Hello.
My nephew is going to be featured in today's video, and we are doing a taste test. So you get a spoon. Which spoon do you want, the big spoon or the little spoon? Okay, big spoon. Today we're going to be sampling 2 different plant-based ice creams, and we will find out if it's poppin' or not. Okay, so we have 2 flavors to try. We have Rocky Road Sahana, and we have Netflixed and Chilll'd. Which one would you want to try first? Do you want me to tell you about it?
This one.
Okay, I won't tell you about it. I'll tell you. So this is peanut butter with sweet and salty pretzel swirl and fudge brownie. Okay, here we go. Are you excited?
I taste it first, right?
We'll taste it at the same time. Here, let me get some and we'll taste it. Okay.
It's falling out.
Okay, here, let's see. I'll hold this for you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you taste?
The flavor.
Okay.
It's not popping.
It's
Is it popping to you?
I like it. It tastes like peanut butter. Peanut butter is popping.
Not me.
No, not you. Okay. You ready to try the other one?
Yes.
You think this one's gonna be good? Let me tell you what's in it. This one is chocolate, marshmallows, and macadamia nuts. Sound like it might be good?
It's not gonna pop.
This one's gonna pop. This one is gonna be popping, right? Popping is good.
It's not popping is bad.
Not popping is bad. Okay, so let's go over the rules again. If you like it, it's popping. If you don't like it, it's not popping. Okay? Hold on. Wait, we're gonna try it together, same time, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Popping.
Okay, I think I agree. Okay. We have the pop method to determine if we like something. Okay, so P is for presentation and plating, AKA the packaging. Do you like the way it looks? Do you like the design? Okay, great. What about this one? Do you like this one's design? Which one is better?
Which one do you think better?
Which one do I like? I like the design of this one.
I like this one.
Okay. And then we have O for optics. So what did it actually look like? So it looks chocolatey. You can see the marshmallows there. This one, you can see the fudge. You can see a little bit of the peanut butter speckling in there. That's good. And the last one is price. I will include the prices below. But overall, tell them which one you think is popping. Which one was popping?
Peanut butter.
The first one was popping? Or the one with the marshmallows was popping?
That one's popping.
Okay, let's go.
But both of them.
Both of them were popping? Okay, all right. Well, we're gonna go enjoy some more ice cream. We'd love to know what you think in the comment section below. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Give them a peace sign.